Google Shopping Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Google Shopping and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Google Shopping is a powerful advertising platform designed to help e-commerce businesses, including dropshippers, promote their products directly in search results, the Google Shopping tab, and across other Google platforms. With Google Shopping, you can showcase your product listings with images, pricing, and store names, making it easier for potential customers to find and purchase your products directly from search results. Who is it for? Google Shopping is ideal for dropshippers looking to tap into the massive traffic of Google's search engine and Google network. If you're already running an e-commerce store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or other platforms, Google Shopping helps you get your products in front of users who are actively searching for items similar to what you sell. Key features include product listing ads, PLAs, integration with Google Merchant Center, automated bidding, and real-time tracking of ad performance. Now, the strengths. The primary strength of Google Shopping is its ability to drive highly targeted traffic. Unlike traditional search ads, Google Shopping ads show product images alongside pricing and store info, which increases visibility and leads to higher click-through rates. Google Shopping is highly integrated with Google Merchant Center, allowing you to easily upload and update your product catalog. With automated bidding and machine learning, you can optimize ad spend and target users based on their search intent, helping maximize conversions. Google's reporting and tracking also provide valuable insights into ad performance and return on investment. Weaknesses? Google Shopping doesn't handle product sourcing, order fulfillment, or inventory management. It's strictly an advertising tool. Additionally, running successful Google Shopping ads requires good product data and a well-optimized store. If your listings are poor, it will be harder to get good results. Also, Google Shopping can be expensive for small dropshippers if not managed properly, as it works on a cost-per-click (CPC) model, and competition can drive up costs. Final verdict: Google Shopping is a great platform for dropshippers who want to promote their products directly in search results and drive targeted traffic. However, it's not a full dropshipping solution. If you need product sourcing or fulfillment tools, check the links in the description for better alternatives. If your focus is on increasing visibility and driving sales through paid advertising, Google Shopping is definitely worth considering.